Here is a quick all-you-need-to-know review of the Moleskine art sketchbook in hardcover and A4. I'm going to show you close-ups of the paper and the quality, and also I'm going to show you what it looks like when you write with a fine liner on these thick papers. As an artist, I'm very particular when it comes to paper quality, and I always carry around sketchbooks and I can never have them lined. They have to be plain, so this one is perfect. It is a hardcover that is closed with a rubber band. The pages are ivory or off-white and are completely plain. There are 96 pages, and as you can see, the papers are pretty thick. They are 120 grams, which is a pretty big difference from regular printer paper, which is 80 to 90 grams. The corners are rounded and the paper quality is really good. The pages have a texture that reminds me of watercolor paper. However, I don't use this for sketching. I like to use it for writing and planning. It is bound with high quality stitches, and you can see that in the middle here. It is not made to take pages out of the book though. The only negative with this book for me is that it is quite heavy, but at the same time that's what you get when you have thick paper and high quality hardcover. Now I want to show you how I write with a fine liner and that it doesn't bleed at all on the paper. I like my writing neat and not smudged, even though I always use fine liners, and these papers are perfect for it.